Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Quick guide to HTTP status codes in 10 minutes. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, status codes are issued by a server in response to a client's request made to the server. These codes help clients understand the result of their request. They are grouped into 5 classes, each represented by the first digit of the status code. 1. Informational responses, 100 to 199. These codes indicate that the request has been received and understood. The server is continuing the process. 100 Continue, the initial part of a request has been received and has not yet been rejected by the server. Example asterisk. 2. Successful responses, 200 to 299. These codes indicate that the request was successfully received, understood, and accepted. 200 OK, the request was successful. 201 Created, the request succeeded, and a new resource has been created. Example with code, using Python's Flask. 3. Redirection messages, 300 to 399. These codes indicate that further action needs to be taken by the client in order to fulfill the request. 301 Moved permanently, the requested resource has been assigned a new permanent URI. 302 Found, the requested resource resides temporarily under a different URI. Example asterisk. 4. Client error responses, 400 to 499. These codes indicate that the client seems to have made an error. 400 Bad request, the server could not understand the request due to invalid syntax. 401 Unauthorized, the request requires user authentication. 404 Not found, the server cannot find the requested resource. Example with code, using Flask. 5. Server error responses, 500 to 599. These codes indicate that the server failed to fulfill a valid request. 500 Internal server error, the server has encountered a situation it doesn't know how to handle. 503 Service unavailable, the server is not ready to handle the request, often due to maintenance. Example asterisk. Summary of common HTTP status codes. Code meaning. 200 OK. 201 Created. 301 Moved permanently. 302 Found. 400 Bad request. 401 Unauthorized. 404 Not found. 500 Internal server error. 503 Service unavailable. Conclusion. Understanding HTTP status codes is crucial for both web developers and users. They provide valuable information about the server's response to requests. This quick guide covers the most common codes you'll encounter in web development. Use them to debug issues, handle errors gracefully, and create a better experience for your users. For further learning, consider exploring how to handle these responses in different programming languages and frameworks.